Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I'll like to show you the way how to do a color grade like pro without any application, because we will use the iPhone features on photo library. So you just need to open your photo library on your iPhone, and the next thing you need to do is just go pick the picture that you want to do the color grade with. Let's say I would like to do the color grade for this picture. So this is a coffee bean that just roasted. So you just need to go click the picture until this menu is pop up, and you just need to go click edit. The next thing you need to do is take a look on this side. So make sure that you stay in adjust, because there will be like 3 options down part here. Go click adjust, and there will be like a lot of options that you can adjust to make the picture look better. So here, let's start with the beginning, which is the exposure. So you just need to slide this side into it's already in an exposure side, and then you just need to drag this line into the left or the right. If you slide this into the left side, means that you want to add more exposure into this picture. So I would like to add exposure up to like 50, because I have less exposure for my picture here. And this brilliance is also adding several light on it for balancing the black and white for this picture. So I would like to drag it to like 40. Nice. And then for the highlight, also put the specific color into the specific area of the object. So if you add it, you'll see there will be like a lot of light adding into the beans. But then here I will like to reducing the highlight, so I will like to make the beans going like darker. So I will like to drag it into the 50. And here's the favorite parts that I would like to adjust, because by adding the shadows or removing the shadows, it will affect your picture so much. So I will like to reducing the shadows. So I will like drag it into the right side, so that I will like reach -40. So you'll see the difference. So this is before and this is the after. It's quite going better, right? And then the next thing is the contrast. It's also my favorite, because I think the contrast means that you got the real true color that can define your result of for your picture. So I would like to add more contrast, so I will to drag it up to like 30. And then for the brightness, since I already got a lot of exposure here, I will like to reducing some brightness here, so I will to drag it up to 10, -20. And here is the black point. So here this section will upgrade the black color into your picture. If you want to add more black color pop up, so you just need to drag it into the right side. You'll see this is after I drag it into the right side. But then if you drag it into the left side, the dark point or the dark color on the picture will be reduced, and it will be changed into the white color. So I will like to add it up to like 10. Perfect. And the saturation is defined about how the way you add or how the way you bring the picture. If you want to have a warm, drag it into the right side. If you want to have more cool tone, drag it into the left side. So here I will like to drag it into the right side up to like 10. And then for the vibrancy, it's also the same, but then it's just specific into the, you know, like warmness of the picture. So I would like to drag it into the left side up to like -10. Right, and this warmth will also make the warm tone on your picture going stronger or less. If you want to keep strong warm tone on your picture, drag it into the right side. So you will see like there is orangey or yellowing color for your picture. But then if you want to like have like less yellow color, you can drag it into the left side. I would like to drag it into -10, since I already increasing a lot of warmth point on it. And I want to increasing for the sharpness. I want to like this picture have this sharp point, so I will drag it up to like 20. And that's just this segment or the tools that I use for my picture. So this is the result. I would like to give you the before and after. So this is the before editing, and this is after we add the color grade on it, and then you just need to go click done. So that is the way how to do a color grade like a pro only with your iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.